AMG is synonymous with high-performance vehicles, often delivering some of the most exhilarating cars on the planet. However, it's fair to say that in recent years, the magic of AMG seems to have slightly diluted. With an overwhelming range of models and variants now available, the mystique that once surrounded the brand can sometimes feel a little lost. But every now and then, a true gem emerges that takes us back to the golden age of AMG, the era before their merger with Mercedes-Benz. One such gem is the 1984 Mercedes-Benz 500 SEL 5.0 AMG, affectionately known as Blueberry, a car that perfectly encapsulates the charm and magic of pre-merger AMG models. This stunning example of automotive engineering has been preserved and restored with incredible care, reminding us of just how special these early AMG creations truly are. The story behind the Blueberry starts in 1984, when AMG was still an independent performance engineering firm. The company had already established a reputation for turning ordinary Mercedes-Benz models into high-performance machines, and they were gaining a following. However, the 1984 Mercedes-Benz 500 SEL 5.0 AMG stands out for its unique backstory. Originally commissioned as a personal gift from AMG boss Hans Werner Aufrecht to Illinois businessman Richard Buxbaum, this car was built specifically to Buxbaum's preferences. It wasn't just any 500 SEL, it was a tailor-made AMG masterpiece. The car underwent an extensive transformation, starting with its mechanical upgrades. The 5.0-liter V8 engine, a powerhouse in its own right, was further enhanced by AMG to deliver more performance. A new sports exhaust system with tubular headers and twin mufflers was installed, helping to improve the engine's sound and efficiency. This V8 engine is naturally aspirated, a characteristic that makes it feel even more raw and visceral compared to modern turbocharged engines. Visually, the 500 SEL 5.0 AMG was also reworked. It received a stunning respray in lapis blue metallic, giving it a bold and eye-catching look. The exterior was further sharpened with a set of aerodynamic aprons at the front and rear, giving the car a more aggressive and purposeful stance. To complement the increased performance, AMG also installed a sport suspension system from Bilstein, which improved handling and made the car feel more agile on the road. Additionally, the car now sits on staggered 16-inch wheels, a rare feature that adds to the vehicle's classic aesthetic. But the story doesn't end there. After serving as Buxbaum's daily driver for over a year, the car was sold to Vermont billionaire Richard B. Cohen. Cohen used the car for the next 5 years before eventually selling it back to Buxbaum. From 1993 onwards, Buxbaum made consistent attempts to reacquire the car, a testament to how much he valued this particular AMG creation. Finally, in October 2022, after almost 3 decades, Buxbaum succeeded in buying the car back and immediately embarked on a full restoration. This 1984 Mercedes-Benz 500 SEL 5.0 AMG is now in pristine condition, ready for a new owner to appreciate its rich history. Now, this incredible piece of automotive history is up for auction, with a price estimate between $150,000 and $200,000. For those lucky enough to be in a position to bid, this is a rare opportunity to own a truly special pre-merger AMG car, one that holds both historical significance and incredible performance credentials. If you're interested, you can dive deeper into the details of the auction listing and possibly even register to place a bid on this incredible car. For enthusiasts of Mercedes-Benz and AMG, this is an auction you won't want to miss. Cars like this don't come around every day, and the opportunity to own such a significant piece of automotive history is a rare and exciting prospect.